Welcome to Sonic Tech, the Self-Learners Club. In this video we'll learn how to show and change the desktop icon shape on Windows 11. First, open Windows 11 settings. Then, open the personalization option. From Themes, open the desktop icon settings. From the desktop icon settings, you can hide and show the wanted desktop icons. After you choose, click on Apply to hide or show the desktop icon. You can also change the icon shape of the desktop icons. After you finish, click on Apply to save the changes.